Merry Christmas! Actually, today is the day of Christmas. That's why I like to show you how to say and how to write Christmas in Chinese. In Chinese, we say 圣诞节,圣诞节,圣诞节,圣诞节. So 圣 means the Christ, 诞 means birth, 节 means festival. Alright, so all together, 圣诞节. So if you want to say Merry Christmas, we talked about happiness before. Happiness is 快乐,快乐. So Merry Christmas, 圣诞节快乐,圣诞节快乐. Or we can omit the word festival, 节. So we can just say 圣诞快乐,圣诞快乐. Alright? So I hope you enjoy the day of Christmas and you enjoy this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.